Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to SIDEYARD Mechanic. Sunday, so today we got to do some chores. We had to stay home from church this morning. Kids were up sick last night, and of course when they wake up they're all better. So got some coffee. Gonna come back here. Got to organize our shed, our little storage shed. Cleaned out my workshop shed, but I got some of these other crates that I need to put away somewhere. Got our auto painting stuff. This is stuff we use to paint the interior of our truck. Got the sprayer. This is a sprayer I used, the Avanti HVLP. Got this from Harbor Freight. Worked out perfect. We got some construction stuff I use to work on the house. Supplies, screws, and stuff like that. But I'll be showing you guys a tour of this. I think it's possibly the world's smallest workshop here. But today we got to go and organize this shed to make room. You can see it's kind of blown out. I built this floor a few years back. Before this shed was just right on the dirt. But got some space in here. Just got some random stuff. Our bicycle stand. Got our stuff from when we were kids. My wife's stuffed animals, wedding dress. Got our camping gear in here, Christmas stuff. Yeah, so go ahead and start getting some of this stuff pulled out and get these other totes or crates packed in here. All right. We got a lot of the stuff pulled out of the shed. Can't believe all this stuff was in there. Got a bunch of totes, crates, some old pictures, got some baby stuff, got some motorcycle covers, get these from work, got some wrapping paper, got all of our Christmas stuff. Got some motorcycle parts, some bicycle parts, some skateboards, helmet. So when you got 3 boys, you accumulate a lot of stuff. Ended up bringing a dresser in here, help kind of organize some things. We had this dresser sitting in the backyard. It's too big to go in the house. Got to organize all this stuff. Got some bike parts. Got the original air cleaner for our truck, a rim, bicycle rim, guitar, security camera, and some bike racks and coolers. It's got a lot of stuff. So now we just need to go through and organize all this and get it back in this little shed. We can do it. So while we were cleaning out the shed, came across some old pictures of me working in the side yard here, working on some bicycles. That's what I used to do. Just go to the thrift stores and get bicycles and fix them up. My sister and my grandma must have took some of these pictures. I don't even know how old I am. I don't know if this is the year 2000. So 20-something years ago. Probably 15. Working on the car with my uncle. This is my grandma's old Monte Carlo that she used to drive. Yep, good times. Alright, well, as you can see, we got most of the stuff cleaned up. Got a few boxes over here we got to go through. I think my wife is going to sell some of this stuff. It's like decorations. Trash right here. Gotta figure out where to put these snow discs. But yeah, got it all kind of organized. Got some keepsake stuff from when the kids were babies, when me and my wife were babies, and everybody's got to keep some of that. Got our camping stuff. It looks unorganized, but it actually is pretty organized. We got some totes down here for camping, and we just got tents, sleeping bags, stove, This is pretty cool. This is like a camping kit. It's got plates and cups and forks and knives and everything in there. It's all in one little package. And then I was able to get our little construction stuff over here. Got my sprayer. Got some totes for like all the houseworking stuff. Got our coolers in here. Got all of our Christmas stuff. Back here in the corner, we got our fishing poles. And I was able to get this dresser in here, which is pretty cool. It's pretty big. Holds a lot of stuff. Got some stuff stored up here. Top drawer is able to get like notes and stuff from school, Harley-Davidson University, classes that I go to get certified. We got some fishing stuff in here. Got a bicycle fork assembly. Let's see. More fishing gear. Right in there. Got some Christmas stuff. Some wrapping paper. The bottom one. This is a bigger drawer. Got all of our skateboards in here. So yeah, came out pretty good for a little spot. I mean, I think this shed's probably like maybe 4 by 8. Not very big, but got it situated. It's part of being a side yard mechanic is you got to organize your stuff. Got to have room to work. So now got to work on all this, clean up some of this stuff. But all right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Like, subscribe.